All right, we got a Dover elevator now.
This is in the mechanical engineering building.
Same cab.
I guess this building must have had an expansion.
Oh, the bell doesn't work. But look at this.
This one's like a service elevator.
Yeah, probably. I'm sure they move like all sorts of equipment and stuff in it. Yeah, this is definitely, I bet this is WCR.
Well, now it works.
Wait. Cool.
Door
For a
closes is
GAL.
so it means it probably wasn't even there to begin with.
Yeah.
I kind of doubt the indicator's gonna work.
Well, it's one, this is the one. Weird. This has definitely had some modifications.
If you...
Here, do you want to?
I'm gonna hit 3 and see if it rings.
I guess not.
It didn't ring.
Maybe the down one won't ring at 3.
Yeah, maybe it's the up chime doesn't.
Anyway, let's
Which
be
would be
quiet
weird.
for the motor. So much for that.
Motor is silent.
The motor is being quiet for the motor. Sounds like a monitor floor passing chime.
I think the machinery might be on a different floor. Because it gets a little louder as you go.
Could be. Here, you want to hit the button?
Hit the deck. Let's just try hitting the deck.
There we go.
So it's supposed to work, but only going down.
It looks like an Otis vanity button.
It does.
Looks like a Dover vanity button.
GAL fixture though.
These are weird little brailles. Look at these. I've not seen.
They're not actual brailles either. They don't have any braille. They're not.
These are probably original to the elevator because.
Well, there's also not one on the door closer.
What the heck is that wrong with that fan? Anyway.